ka. Explore mo na yung mga parents. Okay, now, let's just try chocolate para ito be universal. Can you try to go with me? Chocolate. And then can you try to say the words with me? Ready, go. Chocolate. One more time. Chocolate. Louder. And chocolate. Very good. Diba? Kids, you're kids pa. So why are you shy? Kids are very energetic. Now you sound very cool. One more time. Can you sound very, very young? Chocolate. Ready, go.
Chocolate.
A bit younger na. You're still not young. You're still like 20 years old. Chocolate. Ready, louder, go.
Chocolate.
Very good. Now, one chocolate down, and then one chocolate up. So you follow first the me ha. Chocolate. And then up. Chocolate. And then down. Chocolate. Up again. Go. Chocolate. Now, let's try to sing the song. Like to pitch me. Ganito. Picture mo this stuff name. It's right. That pitch lang. Chocolate. Ready? We go go ha. Ready? Go. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. Okay, very good. Stop. Now, let's try this. Can you try to not say chocolate, chocolate, but chocolate, chocolate? Yeah, you hear the gap in between? Ready, go. Chocolate. I said there's a gap in between. Chocolate, chocolate. Yes, there's gap. Listen again. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Yes, very good. Now, let's do it together. Ready, go. Chocolate, 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 I said good. Now, remember when you do your arm, it's can you see teacher's arm? We're not doing this one. Like the bend. Good. Bend your elbow a bit first. And then look. See, you can feel your elbow, right? Let you touch. Ready? Up. Yes. Now, when you go up and down, you try to balance your voice. Like that, right? Like this? Yes. But look at the tip. It's just there. Come, kids. You move your elbow. Ready? Up. Good. Down. Good. So always like that pag mag-chocolate, ha? Is that diba? Chocolate. Okay. Now, can you try before we end it? That is very fast. Yeah. Let's just do until chocolate. Okay? And then hopefully we can do everything together next week. Ha? We try to memorize symbols lahat. That's all of your assignments by last week. Okay? Now, remember, let's try this first. On each swing. On the bow. So, stop and then up bow. Ready, go. And then up bow. Together, ready. You have to wait for teacher. Again, on the first step. Ready, first step. Good. Ready, now go. Stop first, up bow. Down bow. Up bow. Wait for each other and then together again. Back on the first step. First step. Ready, go. Very good. One more time, up bow. Very good. See, one more down bow. Go. Very good. One more up bow. Yes, don't be afraid to move your arm. Huh? Now, if you try to send your sound as much